Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to speed up a video in VLC Media Player step by step. Whether you want to watch a tutorial faster, save time on a long lecture, or quickly review a recording, VLC makes it really easy to adjust the playback speed. So let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player and play the video you want to watch. Once the video begins playing, move your cursor to the menu bar at the top and click Playback. From the menu, hover over Speed, then choose Faster or Faster, Fine, to increase the playback speed gradually. Yeah, you can repeat this as many times as needed until you reach a speed that's comfortable for you. Another quick method is to use the playback speed controls directly while the video is playing. This lets you make small adjustments without interrupting your viewing experience. I mean, it can be much more convenient if you're switching between normal and faster speeds often. If the video becomes too fast, simply return to the playback menu and select normal speed or choose a slower speed until everything feels comfortable again. VLC gives you the flexibility to change the speed at any time without affecting the quality of the original video file. Keep in mind that changing the playback speed only affects how the video is played inside VLC. It doesn't permanently speed up or edit the actual video, so your original file remains exactly the same. And that's it. You now know how to speed up a video in VLC Media Player quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.